Oh, it sounds good to let her breathe. Nice and smoky. So, you know, let it run for a couple minutes, back it onto the gravel, put the wheels on, I think, first, just in case something doesn't go according to plan. So I'll go put the wheels on. I've taped up some areas around the mirrors because I'm doing a little bit of touch-ups with black. So those are just drying. I can get a second coat and be done with that. So yeah, wheels on, and then basically exhaust for the rest of the day. Hopefully we can get something to work before the end of the day. That'd be cool. Sick. The time has finally come to put these wheels on. Let's see what we got. They're 16 by 10, negative 24. So they should be flush, I would think. Won't be poking, but it's definitely going to be better than what I got. And they're 35s compared to these 235 85s, which is like kind of like a 32. I'm stoked. So I left myself with lots of room on this side, as you can see. Just idiot. So I had to buy these lug nuts, 150 bucks. I think I already told you guys that. They use a 13/16 socket, and the stock ones use 1 and a, I don't know, what is this? 1 and a 16th. So I have no deep sockets for that, but yeah, 13/16, a lot more manageable. So let's get these things on and see what happens. Hopefully they fit. I'm probably gonna get spacers, 2-inch spacers with these wheels would be cool, but I don't know. I guess painting the studs, like painting these hubs, didn't work out the way I wanted it to, because now all the threads are all gummed up, but whatever, it's gonna look good with the white wheels, I hope. So let's do that. Time to see what this looks like. Yeah, no pokey, but definitely gonna fill up this wheel well. So I feel like I may have underestimated the how much this is gonna, like, I don't know if this is gonna fit or not. So might be doing some cutting today, front bumper. So so we'll see what happens. So I'll get the other side on. These, oh my god, I actually hate these 1 and a 16th lug nuts with a passion. They're so stupid. If I had a deep socket it would be better, but it's so stupid. Problem right now is that this lug stud, I need to somehow get that seated in there so it'll hold, because all the threads are pretty screwed up on this lug nut, and when it goes to turn with the impact or with a ratchet, it just spins. Let's see if I can get this. Yes. Can't, like, I got nothing to I don't know, maybe my dad will have an idea when he gets back somehow to hold that, like, pulled out, because I don't want to have to take the drum off, and yeah, that'll be a mess if I have to do that. But I mean, 7 out of 8, that's pretty good, right? Alright, let's see how she's gonna sit. Yeah, Yeah, that's lots of room. Definitely beefs it up a bit, so that's good. And the hubs turned out really good, being all black and with the new lug nuts, looking good. So let's get the fronts on, and after the fronts are on, I guess, oh yeah, it's just exhaust. So then figuring out this lug stud, whatever. All right, guys, so here she sits. It definitely gave it that old school look to it, just with like a thick tire underneath, not much of a lift, so that's really cool. Definitely higher than my dad's 7.3 now, so that's good because his is 2-wheel drive. So yeah, everything worked out the way I wanted it to. Lug nuts went on, no problem. I'm gonna give this whole thing a power wash because I think there's some dust in like the bed and like the wheels like this. Like that just needs to get wiped off. So looks really good with the black hubs on there and the chrome in the center. I knew it would all come together, and it came together real well. So totally stoked on it. So now all that's left to do right now, hopefully by the end of the day, I can get this exhaust figured out. That would just be, oh my god, that would be so good. So yeah, I'm gonna throw some undercoating on it right now. I got 2 cans to go, so I'm gonna use them both everywhere. So yeah, there's that. And like obviously I can't get good shots right now because it's like parked really close to the trailer and it's not even in the sun, and it's like the wheels are dirty or the tires are dirty. So I'll get you some shots in a little while here once my dad gets back and finish up the exhaust, and it's gonna be looking real good. Oh my god, I like, okay, I didn't want to spoil anything, but so here's the deal. I was gonna put light bars on it, but honestly, like, this just looks so good. I don't know if I'm gonna. I think I'll throw some rock lights on it, but I don't know. For the time being, this is awesome. Obviously, it's pretty bare without any badges. I'm gonna go to the wrecker and get some Super Duty badges. I'll throw on here. Should make it look a little bit better. I'll either paint those. I'll probably paint those black. And yeah. God, this is nice. Never had a truck like this before. A white one. It's all paint matched and pretty. Undercoated everything. It's all looking pretty. So now I'm gonna go have some lunch and I'll be back in a bit. So after some lunch, we are back out and she's just starting to get into the sun here. So basically, I've got this Decal sitting here. Oh, no. I had these decals made for the windshield. Yes, decals. Actually, it's still kind of wet here. And yeah, the windshield needs to be cleaned. Okay, never mind. Scratch that. I was going to do this right now, but it's not the right time for it. So, exhaust first, and then decals last, but I'll talk about these first. So, this is what I'm going to be putting on the windshield first. I saw a Dodge that had this and I thought it looked really cool, so I had it made up, and I also had another one made up that says Basics, and that one's funny because there's this car group near where I'm from, and all these Subarus, like these really, really nice Subarus, have this decal that says Basics, and I was just thinking it would be hilarious if they saw me, if I showed up to a car meet and I had their decal on, they'd probably lose their shit. So I just thought I'd do that. So there that is. So I'll throw these on the windshield after it's all cleaned up, and that'll be the last thing. So yeah. So let's go start playing with the exhaust, and hopefully I can figure that out today. Do that right now. That's what she looks like in the sun. Not bad. Not too bad. So I need to cut 2 feet of the stack off. So I'm going to be using this half of it. And then I made a line under here of where I need to cut. Cut right there. And then basically we have this plate. So we'll cut that off there and then cut the stack. And then this plate here is gonna be welded flat onto the end of the stack. So the stack will just sit on here, cut the edges off this, obviously, make it a circle, then drill a hole through the plate once it's welded to the stack, the same size as the pipe that's on there. And then just weld the existing pipe on here. So what we'll be welding onto there is the piece of stack with the plate on it with the hole in it. Shove the hole into there and then weld it when it's in position. So basically I just need to cut this off now. My dad's still not home. I don't know where he is, but yeah, so that's where we're at right now. So I'll just cut that off and start getting everything ready, I guess. I don't think the Sawzall will be able to, I don't think the blade is long enough. It'll be a pretty rough cut if I do it on there, but I'll try it out, I guess. Okay, so right now we've cut the chunk of stack off that we need, and we're just welding, or not welding, we're just cutting the round piece that's gonna go on the end of the stack to rough size, and then I'm gonna weld that up to the stack. Or actually we'll probably drill a hole in the flat steel first and then weld the whole thing to the stack, and then throw her on, and hopefully it works out the way I want it to. We won't need to make a hanger or anything. It shouldn't be too heavy, so hopefully it works out. Plate on the end, hold in the end of it. It's welded on. It will leak, but whatever. And then I'm just welding around here, and that's it. And then that'll be what it looks like. Pretty cool. It's on there. We just need to take some strapping and run it up to these holes in the frame here, and that should be that. Cool. Okay, it's done. Gave it a way deeper tone. Looks real good under there. Oh yeah. Sounds real good. It's out here. I got the windshield decal on. It actually looks better than I thought, so I'm alright with it. So she's done. A little bit of poke, a little bit of camber. Ideally, I'd like some spacers, but I'll deal with it for now. So, pretty much the only thing that's wrong with it now is this this stud for the lug nut. So I might have to run it with no lug nut on there for a while, and hopefully she don't pull out. I mean, it didn't pull out for all those miles, so I don't know why it would now, but yeah, so that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.